Hello! Short video tonight. We suffered technical difficulties. What is it? I tried to upgrade Unreal to 4.1.2 and then it gave out on me. It gave up on life. So I had to re-download the whole thing, which took a while. And then in the meantime, I was wondering about what to do. So I was, after learning all the for loops and a little bit of blueprint stuff, I wanted to try a practical application from like last time, where we had the little text simulator that was reloading a gun via text. And I wanted to make it so my little gun in this, the little first-person shooter demo, I wanted to make it so I actually had to hit, R to reload. However, right now, I was going to make it so you hit R, and then it goes through a loop, as long as this bullet chamber array. This bullet chamber array has 6 elements, so it'll be a 6-shooter. And then for each element, I was just telling it to print the status of it, just to check on it. And then another for loop. For each bullet in the chamber here, I'll bypass this delay for now. Do and bypass that, and we'll just go straight to the end. Not like that. Yes, like that. There. Okay, so for every part in the loop, it was going to print the string and set the array index. So anyways, so it was going to print the string, and the string says, reloading chamber blank, and then the number, right? And it's getting that from here, and then print the string as reloading chamber X, and then right here, set array element. You plug in the array, you plug in the index from the for loop back here, and then you put the value, or in this particular one, since it recognizes it's a Boolean array, just says, do you want to turn it on or off? And so I just say turn it on, because it's going to be a chamber that is now containing a bullet. Of course, I was trying to get sound to work. So right now, if I hit play, and I hit R, at first the chambers are empty. Nope. But now they'll be full, so see how it says true at the bottom now, because now they're full. But anyways, reloading chamber 1, 2, 3, and then later on I was going to make it so when the bullets shoot out, it empties those chambers, and it also checks to see if there are any chambers to fire from. So anyways, figured it'd be important, since what I'm going to be working on is going to be kind of a first-person shooter, kinda. Yeah. But anyways, trying practical application of the knowledge I have gathered so far. And yeah, so that's that so far. However, when I try to plug this little thing in right here that says for each, or I mean, it's going to be on every time it goes through the for each loop to delay for 0.2 seconds, and then at the actor's location play this sound, this little reload click, which is my lovely tongue going. However, when I compile and save and I hit play and I hit R to reload, it only plays it once, and it skips a lot of the messages and goes straight to chamber 6. Clickety click click click. So anyways, yeah, it doesn't make sense why it's not working. It's something to do with delays. Don't function happily in for each loops. So I'm gonna have to look up options, and yeah, it's kind of what you do when you go to actually put what you've learned into use. You have to jump down a rabbit hole and smush your head against something until you have the result you want, and then you learn something new. So anyways, yeah, that's what I did get to work on for a short amount of time, and I'll continue it tomorrow night. Yes, so delaying on the tutorials until I make this work, because I have to be able to, actually put what I've learned to use, and there. Yeah. Hope everybody out there had a shiny day, and hooray for tomorrow, hump day. Yay. Anyways, enjoy the shiny evening, and love and peace. Anyways, yeah.